Hello everybody, my name is Babalo Gqomfa from Sela Music School. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play a basic 4/4 rhythm on the djembe drum. The djembe is a drum made in Africa. This one is made in the Ivory Coast. We do have others that are made in Ghana. So usually the difference between the two is the type of wood that they use, as well as the artwork that you find on the drum. So I'll see you there. Enjoy. All right, so as I mentioned, what we will be starting with is just your basic 4/4 rhythm. Your djembe drum is very much like your traditional drum set in that the middle is the bass, the sides are the snare, as well as the Hyatt. So with the Hyatt, I try not to go into the inner part of the skin. I stay mostly on the wood here on the sides, whereas with the Hyatt I hit a little bit inwards. So your basic 4/4 rhythm will be, as I said, in the middle you have your 1, on the side snare, so it will be 1, 2 on the sides, 3 in the middle, 4 on the side. So it will sound something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. All right, so as you can see, I am using my right hand to play that because I'm right-handed. If you're left-handed, you might want to use your left hand. What we need to incorporate next is the Hyatt. To start with, we're going to do the Hyatt in 8th notes. So that will be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so remember, 1 is in the middle and 2 is on the snare on the side. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, slow down, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we can start building on from there. The next thing I want to introduce is using 16th notes on the Hyatt, which makes it sound a bit fuller. And that will sound something like this: 1 E N R, 2 E N R, 3 E N R, 4 E N R, 1 E N R, 2 E N R, 3 E N R, 4 E N R, 1 E N R, 2 E N R, 3 E N R, 4 E N R, 1 E N R, 2 E N R, 3 E N R, 4 E N R, 1 E N R, 2 E N R, 3 E N R, 4 E N R, 1 E N R, 2 E N R, 3 E N R. The next concept I would like to introduce is where you can also bring your left hand into the middle, just to make the rhythm a bit fuller. It's obviously going to change shape. It's going to sound different. It's going to sound a bit more vibey, which is what you want. So we start off with the basic rhythm, 16th notes: 1 E N R, 2 E N R, 3 E N R, 4 E N R, 1 E N R, 2 E N R, 3 E N R, 4 E, 1 E N R, 2 E N R, 3 E N R. Then all right, so there's different ways to do this. You wanna though first explore the basic 4/4 rhythm without bringing the left hand in. As you become more comfortable, you start to play around. But the basics still remain, that your right hand or your dominant hand is the one that will play the 1 in the middle and the 2 on the sides, and the 3 in the middle and the 4 on the sides. and then you just play around with your left hand. The third principle and the last principle I want to introduce is muting or muffling your skin, right? And you do that while you're busy playing with your right hand, like this. So I would do that if I'm playing in a quieter part of the song. So if I'm playing the verse of the song, I would muffle the sound, and then in the chorus of the song where you want things to open up, or the bridge of the song, I would then play without muffling. So chorus of the song would be, okay, what I'm also adding here is I am sliding my hand while the bass or while the skin is resonating, so which gives you that. Just adds more color to the rhythm. I trust you enjoy that. Until next time, where I will be teaching you how to also use your fingers on the sides. Yeah, there's a lot of fun that you can have with the djembe drum. Until next time.